In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add menu in Godaddy Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clear professional menu on the right page of your GoDaddy site and make it look on brand. First, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Look to the top right of the page to access your account area and sign in. From there, choose My Products. This brings up a list of everything tied to your account. If you manage more than one business or site, pick the one you want to work on so you're editing the correct place. Click the site you want to update to open its dashboard, then select Edit Website to launch the site editor. Inside the editor, head to the page where you want your menu to live. You can use the page list or the site navigation to get there. Once you're on the right page, find the spot where the menu should appear and choose Add Section. This tells the editor you want to drop in a new content block at that exact location. When the section library opens, scroll until you see the restaurant category. Select it, then choose Menu/Price List. You'll see a set of ready-made menu layouts. Pick a template that matches your style and click it. The section is immediately added to your page so you can see how it fits with your existing content. Now it's time to customize. Click into the menu section to edit the text. Update the section title to something clear, like Our Menu or Today's Specials. Adjust categories to match how you organize your offerings. Think appetizers, mains, desserts, or drinks. For each item, edit the name, a short description, and the price. Keep item names concise, and use consistent formatting for prices so everything lines up cleanly. If a description isn't necessary, keep it brief to maintain scannability. Use the section settings to fine-tune the look. Choose colors and fonts that align with your brand, and make sure text contrasts well against the background for readability. If your template supports images, add only high-quality photos that enhance the menu without cluttering it. Arrange categories in a logical order and move items up or down until the flow feels natural. Most templates let you add, duplicate, or remove items in categories, so tailor the structure to fit your needs. That's all there is to it. You've added a menu section to the right page, selected a template, and customized the details so it's easy for visitors to browse and understand.